No software required. How to make passport size photos. Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna let you know that no software, no laptop, no computer required. You can do it on mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you want to do, and no software required. Keep in mind, no app, no software required. How to make passport size photo. First of all, you have to go to the Chat GPT, and after that open it, and you have to click on this plus icon, add the photo you want to change or convert or want to make passport size photo, and after that you have to ask Chat GPT to make passport size photo. It will start working and convert a passport size photo. After that, ask set up my photos on A4 size 20 photos at a time without changing anything in face, and voila, it's did that. Download, print and enjoy. Same you can do on the mobile too. I did same. Ask for change passport size photo, it's converted with removing background, and after that asked for 20 photos at a time, and it's converted like this. So that's the way you can easily make passport size photos without software, without mobile, laptop, computer. You can do on anything. Like, share, subscribe for get more videos.